Michael Man, hindi ka rin dapat malungkot. May meron ng 10. Music! Good luck, Mark. Natin, Mark.
Madali lang ito, ha? Sikat na kanta ng April Boys na ginamit sa pelikula nila.
Hindi kay April Boy lang talaga to.
April Boy lang ba to?
Oo.
April Boy.
Mark, kay ka na! Kay na!
Kaya na kayong lahat! Lain niyo ba namang April Boy?
Oo, kaya sa hirap ng kantang yung kayo na... Music! Good luck, Mark!
Closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't want to go home right now.
3.
And all I can taste is this moment. All I can breathe is your life. 'Cause sooner or later.
Naku, Mark! Tama na po lang! Mark! Naku!
Parang alam niyo yung kanta.
Oo, alam mo ba? Bakit
that ain't coming.
Ay, naku, isa na lang.
In your lives.
Mark, sinasabunutan na ang sarili! Nakakaloka ito!
Okay.
Ito yung bahagi ng K, ladies and gentlemen, kung saan na isang pagkakamali lang pwedeng mawala lahat ito.
Tama.
But then, Mark, the decision is yours. Mark, kung hindi mo ba masyadong mauunawaan ito, itong jackpot, 1 million jackpot round. Tuloy o tigil?
Tuloy. Tuloy.
Bahala na.
Go, mga kaibigan, si Mark Tupas of Shamrock Music!
That's all, countdown.
Everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive.
Of Shamrock Band! Ang pangalawang milyonaryo pa lang ng All-Star Game. The first ever for 2 times to Regine Velasquez. Now, it's Mark.